My name is Sanjeev Chitnis. I'm an orthopedic surgeon. I specialize in wrist and hand conditions as well as conditions of the knee. I mainly work at Rossall Hospital. This is my main hospital. So I see wide variety of conditions both in hand and wrist specialty as well as knee specialty. So in the knee specialty, I would see patients who have had injuries to the knee whilst playing sports or who have arthritis and other conditions which are not related to these pathways. There are other conditions which I see most commonly are patients with torn cartilages, ligament tears, damage to the surfaces of the knee, chondral damage, and as well as arthritis which can be between the kneecap and the knee joint itself. So it's a wide variety of conditions I see. Some patients have inflammatory conditions of the knee and I see them and I treat them. As far as hand and wrist conditions are concerned, I see patients with simple conditions like carpal tunnel syndrome, which is entrapment of the nerve in the elbows, as well as conditions like tendonitis, which could affect the hand and the wrist. Also Dupuytren's disease, which involves actually contraction of the fingers, and arthritis of the wrist joint as well as finger joints. And I offer wide variety of treatments for these conditions. Most of the patients are referred by the GPs, but nowadays a lot of patients come on their own without going to the GPs, or some patients are referred by the insurance companies directly and then they come and see me. I see the patients and give them the advice about what my initial clinical diagnosis is. Once I have done this, I then advise the patients any tests which may be needed after consultation with the patient and if they agree for these kind of tests. Once the tests are done, I review the patients and then advise the treatment as necessary. I could carry out treatments in the outpatients or in the theatre, operating theatre in the form of surgery. It's fantastic working at Rossall. It's one of the best hospitals I've worked in. It's very friendly, very efficient, and it's one hospital where you get job satisfaction, me as a doctor. Most patients who have come here have also expressed the same views, that they get very good care and they're very satisfied with the care and the treatment provided in the hospital by all the staff, everyone including myself.